Good morning. Happiness seems to be overflowing, this time even for the government. A lower court delivered a favorable verdict on the alleged complicity of P. Chidambaram in the 2G scam. Markets are likely to display similar relief today. The opening will be positive. Suddenly, the prospects for equity seems to be brightened. FI inflows continue to be strong and the rupee too is gaining ground. Hopes are also building on material improvement in governance and policy making. The union budget and Uttar Pradesh elections will be two big events on the domestic calendar in the near term. Corporate earnings will continue to roll in for a few more days. Although the undercurrent is upbeat, one must exercise some caution as there could be minor hiccups. FY12 GDP growth and IIP data will be released this week. The Nifty extended gains for fifth straight trading week and convincingly closed above 200 DMA of 5,200. With no signs of any trend reversals despite entering into an overbought position, the view remains positive with the near-term resistance at approximately 5,500. Meanwhile, the encouraging January jobs data propelled US indices to multi-year high on Friday. The European counterparts also rallied. Asian markets are mostly up this morning. All eyes will be on the Greece as it faces stiff deadline on securing bailout fund. Markets around the world will also tune into the latest policy announcements from the ECB and the Bank of England later this week. Chinese data on inflation and trade balance will also be closely watched. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 10.74 billion in the cash segment on Friday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers at Rs 9.15 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 1.93 billion in the F&O segment on Friday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 21.34 billion in the cash segment on Thursday as per the final SEBI data. Mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 1.13 billion on the same day. Moving on to our recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Bharat Forge above Rs 305 with stop loss of Rs 299 and for the target price of Rs 320. We recommend buying ICICI Bank above Rs 920 with stop loss of Rs 895 and for the target price of Rs 970. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Cipla February futures above Rs 348 with target price of Rs 358 and stop loss placed at Rs 343. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.